Early start this morning, very crispy. Needed the beanie this morning. So I'm heading down to the local pump track where I'll be meeting up with Team Yeti Fox development race team rider Lacey Adams. So the idea behind this is I have the new GoPro Anamorphic lens and I want to give it a try and see if we can rig it up off the bike somehow, do a few different shots. It may work, it may not. Let's give it a go. Looks like she's already beat me. I'm running late. Hi. Where did we go? That could work. All right. Oh, is your heel hitting it? Just, yeah, shoot past me. Just keep doing laps and I'll just walk around and grab some stuff. Tight?
Yeah, this is a bit tight. Not like those.
Oh, I won't fall out. There you go.
Oh.
Take it off.
Yeah.
Now, just hold it sort of in front of you and it's just going to come up straight down.
Yeah.
And on your head. So just do a couple of laps.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Doesn't move around too much. So you get some big flares through it.
That's cool. It's quite hard going around the corners.
God knows what's going to happen here. Can't afford to have you going over the bars. Oh, I've got no money, you can't sue me. See what happens. Oh, falling down.
Yeah.
It's a video.
Sweet.
Give that a whirl, see what happens. I'll get right up close. Righto, go. Perfect. Last one, then we might try chest strap. And...
Yeah.
All right, take two. Make sure that is spotless.